Hello everyone, welcome to OJ Patterns, and today we'll be working on cow skirts. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Or if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. So for the cow skirt, using the diagram we have on the side, we'll be needing our CF and our CB. So we'll place them side by side together like this, and then we'll be marking. So we're working with slash. So what we're doing is slash and spread, and then be working with our curves and all that. So the first thing we need to do, so we take, let's say we'll be using 1.5 below hip line. So I'll be marking it on both sides seam. Let me write side seam, side seam. This is CF, this is CB. So you place side by side together. Once you mark the first point, 1.5, so we'll be having, let's use 2 or 3 slashes. Let's use 2. So after the first 1.5, we come down by 3 cm. 3 cm. Please, you can use 3 slashes if you want, it depends. So what I'll do next is connect using my French curve from the first dart tip, connect to the 1.5 this way using my French curve. Now connect this to the dart tip. Next I'll connect to the next one, second one, to my dart tip this way, and then I'll connect this one this way. So the more slash parts you have, the more folds you have. So if we want to increase the fold, like we'll end up having 2 folds, I can make it 3. So all I need to do is above the hip line, I can also take up the 1.5, take up the 1.5 here on both sides. Whatever I do for the center back side, I will do it on the center front side. And then I can divide what I have at the top into 2. This is just to give us more folds. Repeat same, divide what you have at the top here into 2, and then follow with your fold. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. So next, you can take both of them together like this, and then you trace it out so that you can effect the slash and spread. So I'll be doing the slash and spread on a paper. So I'll bring it up here. And then I'll cut. Now placing them like this, you're seeing it. Now you slash on the curved edge. So we're doing slash and spread. I'll slash to the dart tip. And then I'll slash to the tip at the waist. I'll slash my center front to the dart tip, and then the third one will get to the waist. So spreading it. So we're spreading. Now we close the dart and allow the excess of the dart to open up what we have here. I want to spread it very well. So this is it. And then I'll close the second dart same way to allow the flow. And then we're opening up the third. So I'll close this. So whatever you do basically for CB, you do it for CF. So, this is the one that is spreading out. No, please them side by side. Spread them out. What you want to do is ensure they both meet. Another way this can help is you can roll a line to help as a guide to spreading. So you want to ensure the bottom part meets this way. So as you're closing, you're spreading this. Now I'll be taping it. Okay, the spread. So your spread flows with that. So the excess flows with that, like what we have. So please note that there are different methods. So for this, there will be no pleat. There are some you need to open it that there will be pleats at the waist. So the only thing we want to consider when we're doing here is to ensure the last dart, which is this, both darts meet up straight up here at the top. So that means you have even flow at the top there. So this is it. So for this, the center front is still going to be on fold because the center front is still going to be on fold, but the back won't be on fold. That means we'll be adding the zip allowance 3 cm, 3 cm. So there are various methods of cowl skirt. There are some whereby you have to slash to the tip and still open up. That means you cut out, cut through, and still open up. So that means at the top waist part it will have plate. But this method there will be no plate at the waist. You just have your foot by the time you join the sides. So at the bottom I'll have the 3 cm, 3 cm, the 3 cm, 3 cm. So your center front is still on fold. It's going to be on fold. Now the waist will have 1 cm at the waist. So I'll be having the 1 cm at the waist. You can use your French curve to connect what you have. 1 cm at the waist. Now for this side, we have the same 1.5, or we can use 1 cm at this part because we're just going to join this top straight up. So this is it. Now all I need to do is cut out. So we're cutting this, for this pattern we're cutting both back and front together. And mostly cowl, for cowl skirts, if you're using your fabric, we're using like lightweight fabric or silky fabrics that would work better and flow with the drape effect. So as I said earlier, you can play with different methods. So this is it on our cowl skirts. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section below. Thank you.